Good morning, you guys. We are still in San Francisco, about to jump on the trolley, head to Chinatown, check that all about. We're just gonna kind of tour the city today and check out San Francisco, so I hope you guys will join us. We just bought our tram tickets, so as soon as the next tram comes, we gone. Here comes ours. Check that out. How about that? Pretty ingenious. Ready to go.
People on that side. You want to go all sides? 4 people on that side, please. 2.
Thank you, appreciate it. All right, we are close to Chinatown, we think. We'll find out here in a minute. So I'm assuming that's the main center of Chinatown down there. Sure looks like it, sure looks busy. Hopefully we get to try some authentic Chinese food, man, because we're starving. This place is crowded, man. It's so cool though. There's the Wing Lung Company. I want some street food. Or maybe we can find like a market that has a bunch of different vendors. We'll go down there? Yeah, let's go check it out. Side streets are always recommended in Chinatown, Jackson. This is where you find the good food. Down a dark alley.
It's not dark.
Down a bright alley. I can't read anything. Jenny's Flower. There's a beauty salon. Maybe we should have stayed going straight. I don't know. They got a game or something going on up there. Playing marbles. Oh, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
What?
Right straight across. Bro, that looks pretty authentic. What do you think?
Let go.
Alright, hang on, he just put his car in drive. And as steep as these darn streets are, man, you sure enough don't want to get in front of nobody. Alright, we just got to make sure that we eat some fresh food because we got to fly back tomorrow and I don't want food poisoning. Let's see what we got. Easy to eat, delicious. Welcome to Capital. Broccoli chicken looks pretty banging. I say let's try it. What do you think? It's not packed. Ooh, I like chow mein. Oh, I gotta give me some shrimp fried rice. I'm excited. I'm starving. I want to try. We gotta have some egg rolls.
Egg roll?
Yeah, please.
Egg roll?
Yes, ma'am. And then I want to try your egg flour soup.
Egg flour soup?
Yeah, just a cup. And then for lunch, I'm gonna have the Kung Pao chicken, please.
Kung Pao chicken?
Yeah, can I get that with shrimp fried rice? By chance? I'll pay extra.
Oh no, only fried rice or plain rice?
Okay, fried rice.
Is it Kung Pao chicken, right?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, we gotta get some chicken wings too. We need some chicken, your famous chicken wings too.
The broccoli beef over rice.
Broccoli beef over rice?
I think that's it. How many chicken wings come?
11.
11? Is that enough? That'd be enough.
Okay, egg roll, egg drop soup, Kung Pao chicken over fried rice, chicken wings, the broccoli beef over rice, fried rice or just plain rice? Fried rice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Drinks?
Do you have Coke?
Coke?
Yeah.
2 Coke?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. There you go. What's your name? Molly. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Oh, that looks good. Thank you very much. Try that, kid.
Someone.
Y'all, this is the best egg drop soup I've ever had. Look what just came too. Chicken wings. We still got a lot of food coming. These chicken wings though are the bomb, man. They're so crunchy. Egg rolls, egg drop soup. Not sure what this is, but I'm gonna ask. That's Miss Daisy right there. I'm gonna ask her in a minute.
Okay, broccoli chicken.
Broccoli
beef?
Broccoli chicken. Yep, broccoli beef. And there's my Kung Pao chicken. I gotta tell you guys what, these chicken wings are some of the best we've ever had, man. They're so crunchy, delicious. Few little jalapenos in there. This place is the bomb. Yeah, we gotta do some work. Hey, Miss Daisy, what is this right here?
You filming me?
Yeah, it's okay.
Chili paste.
Chili paste? Okay. It's hot?
Not really.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You try. Just
All
a little bit hot.
Gotcha. All right, let's try some of this chili paste. Pretty good. Not that hot. Well, we did as much damage as we could, but that was a lot of food. But everything was phenomenal. But those chicken wings so good. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. There you go. All right. See what your fortune is, dude. I'm gonna let YouTube see mine first.
No balls, guys. There's on the thing.
This weekend will bring you a surprise. What'd you get?
You will score.
Really?
Something valuable. I don't know, it's cut off.
Oh, yours got cut off. Well, hang on, let me see. I think I can make it legible. It's every thread of gold is valuable, so is every moment of time. Interesting. Let's see how much our lunch was. Ooh, we ordered a lot. 76 bucks. It was worth it though. That was a great experience. All right, you pay.
I don't got my wallet.
Oh, the old ain't got my wallet trick.
Thank you very much.
See you.
All right, see you later.
Okay, see you.
Man, that was good. I'm too full to walk. Let's just make sure we walk downhill whichever way we go, okay? Eventually. We'll walk downhill till we get to the trolley, and then we'll take the trolley uphill. This is a cool little area of San Francisco, man. It's compact, that's for dang sure. Let's go see what else we can find. That's interesting. There's Popeye. We got Bigfoot out here on the sidewalk. Some giant lions.
Yeah, I think we're leaving China.
I have no idea where we're at. Oh, Bruce Lee. The walk shop. Oh, I gotta check out the walk shop, dude.
Look at that.
Chinatown cat shop. Snow garden. So Jackson and I are trying to find like the black market where we can buy us a Rolex or some tiger's blood. You know, all the cool illegal stuff. Fortune teller. All right, we're gonna try this autonomous Waymo car with no driver. It's got RW on the top. Should be here in about 6 minutes. These things are everywhere. There's one right there. A little bit more expensive than Uber, but I mean, still kind of neat just to experience a car that's gonna drive itself. All right, he's turning onto our street, buddy. He should be coming. Where you at, Waymo? I think that's it down there. This is so weird. Here it comes. Car with no driver. That's correct. Hey, wait a minute. Hold up. Yeah, that's us, Jack. Yeah. Man, that's nuts, man. Oh, we got a hit unlock right here. The door handles pop out.
That's
wow. All right, let's see what else I got to do. What did she say?
hello, Ryan.
Good afternoon, Ryan. Good afternoon, Waymo.
Yeah, it's clean back here.
Is it? That's a nice ride, man. Whoa, it just revved up. She ready to go. Start ride.
Hello from Waymo.
Oh, that's
As we get going,
Oh my goodness. This is craziness. We are.
please buckle up. This is safe always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
Alright, I gotta put my seatbelt on.
What am I saying?
Alright, seatbelt's on. Dude, this is crazy.
Feeling more valuable. We may use interior.
Hello, how are you doing today, robot car?
Writers, improve our products and more. But our microphone
Weird.
will only on when
Can you let the windows down? Heck yeah.
So sing your heart out.
Sing your heart out, we can't hear you. It's amazing. The steering wheel turns and everything. Man, I feel like I'm on the Jetsons.
Hands off the wheel.
I wonder what happened if I touch it.
Finally, relax and thank you for
Stop.
Arrival in 5 minutes. Dude, this is cool, man. And it knows the red lights and everything, man.
Route review, temperature.
Oh, they're all electric. AC blows. This is insane, you guys. I remember thinking when I was little, like watching the Jetsons, thinking one day there's gonna be cars that drive themselves, and yeah, here we are.
Look, you can see all the people and stuff on the
Oh
screen.
yeah. It knows where every single person's at. Wow. Trees. That's crazy. Waymo through Chinatown.
Is it? I wonder if it's like AI or if it's like a person driving. Might be stupid, but it says the Waymo driver is in control, which I guess just means like an AI thing.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, they could have remote drivers.
I'm sure they do at times.
Yeah.
They really do that.
This is insane. Yeah, really nice. Jaguar. Oh, Waymo can't decide which lane it wants to be in. Waymo stopped. Man, we need these back home. This is so interesting. I wonder if it's gonna let my window back up. It's scary, isn't it? But like you said, we can't get in trouble for anything. Yeah, I need one of these cars because I hate driving. I just tell my Waymo car to take me wherever the turn signal comes on and everything. It's got all the people marked. Wow, that's wild, man. So the reason we're taking a Waymo back into Chinatown is because we walked a little too far, got ourselves out of Chinatown, and we just wanted to experience this autonomous vehicle, which is pretty dang amazing. I still can't hardly believe it. It's just amazing. This is madness, dude. Whoa. Pulled over. You're here.
Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Okay. Thanks, Waymo. Thank you very much. Okay, maybe it doesn't let my window back up automatically. Thank you, sir. I wonder what happens if you just leave the door open. Yeah, somebody left a Reese's. You want it?
No.
Maybe that's the tip. That's amazing. All right, well, we experienced the autonomous vehicle. See you later, Waymo. All right, now we're in the better part of Chinatown. Check this out. Let's go see if we can find me a Rolex. Oh yeah, here's the market. Dragon fruit. Oh, excuse me. Some other kind of fruit. Some giant white carrots. Big old pears. Some funky looking oranges. Jackson needs you some pants. All right, where's my rolly? Sugi chicken is black chicken. It tastes good. Yeah. Okay. I'll take your word for it. Have a good afternoon. I don't know about no black chicken. That looked nasty.
Did you look in the window?
No.
The chickens were in there.
What?
Like moving around.
There's
chickens in there. Killing me there.
He's gonna get mad at me for coming back and filming. You got chickens. Okay, well, I'm gonna take your word for it. I'm not going in there because he don't look too happy with me right now. Since I didn't like it by his black chicken.
It says no photo or video.
Did it?
Yeah.
Whoops. Whoops. The flies means it's fresh, bro. Oh, they got black chicken in there too. See the sign. San Francisco poultry. Live and fresh. Wow. And here is evidently the very famous Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company. Long line. And also we were just informed that we can't buy a fake Rolex and Gucci and stuff. We have to go to New York in order to do that because, well, it's illegal. A big kitty. Excuse me, sorry. Got some good looking produce down here. Vacuum bag fish. Dried little shrimp. Another wok store. Exercise and massage chairs. Gum Thumb Joy. A little medicine store. Restaurants everywhere. If you leave here hungry, it's your own fault. I don't know what those are. Persimmons, maybe?
Huh?
Little flower shop.
If I get a bow, you want to try it?
Yeah.
There's some more dim sum. I don't know what dim sum is, but I got it everywhere out here. Well, we're not in Chinatown anymore, y'all. We are up at a place called Twin Peaks. No, not the restaurant with the pretty ladies. This is actually truly Twin Peaks. It's the highest point in San Francisco, as you can see behind me. We got a really nice Uber driver. He's from Afghanistan. His name is Nadine. Super nice guy. If he could find a parking spot, I promised him I'd put him on the YouTube video, but there's not a lot of parking up here, but it is windy, so hopefully the wind sprayer on the GoPro is doing its job. But just take a look at this view, you guys. I had no idea San Francisco was this large, but it's 7 miles by 7 miles, so 49 square miles of city, homes, and this giant mountain up here. It's awesome, really beautiful.
Where you come from?
Man, it's windy up here. Good gracious. Hot dog. Hot dog does look banging. Oh, there's a Golden Gate Bridge way over there. Ooh, it's freezing up here. Brr. You tricked us and put the jacket on. I didn't recognize you. Yeah. So here's my new friend Nadine from Afghanistan that brought us up here. He's been showing us all the behind the cool spots here around San Francisco. Thanks for bringing us up here, man. We appreciate it. Guys, I sure do appreciate you hanging out with me and Jackson on this video, and if you watched all the others from our vacation, it means a lot to us. Please give the videos a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.